In this video we'll be covering how to perform a stock adjustment in AutoCount Cloud Accounting. Stock adjustments are typically done to correct your inventory due to various reasons, such as damaged items, stock loss, or inventory counting discrepancies. In our case, we've discovered that a few jean stocks were damaged due to poor storage. Let's walk through how to update that in the system. On the side panel, go to the stock category, then click on Stock Adjustment. On the Stock Adjustment page, click plus New to create a new adjustment record. Add your description, reference and date. The document number will be automatically generated by the system. In the Details table, enter the stock code for the affected item. In this case, select 002 for our jeans. For quantity, enter -2 to indicate the deduction and set the unit cost to RM30. Once everything is complete, click Save to update your inventory. That is how you perform stock adjustment on AutoCount Cloud Accounting.